Vendors in Montego Bay St. James took to the streets today demanding that the Mayor Leroy Williams reconsider the vending times for Christmas Eve. The protests come on the heels of an announcement that there will be no grand market in the Western City. Anthony Lugg reports.
We want justice! We want time!
The cries of vendors in Montego Bay St. James on Monday. TVJ News understands that the vendors have been fuming since Mayor Leroy Williams made this revelation.
I have no intention of accommodating a grand market. I will be giving them some earlier time. Before we had asked them to come out at 5 o'clock, we are going to allow them to come out at 2.
So, on Monday, the vendors took to the streets. This prompted a quick response from the police and members of the military who sought to disperse the crowd.
We don't have no problem with the police. We don't have no problem with Parish Council. But it's the mayor with the time. And the time of the problem.
But days after that interview with our news team, the mayor appears to have offered a little reprieve.
I'm prepared to allow them to come out as early as 1, and they can vend until the time for the curfew.
The vendors insist, however, the time is just not enough.
When we come out 1 o'clock and go in 8 o'clock, our children survive. Christmas is all about kids, and he's not for the kids. He's not a mayor. He's a slayer. Why is it we can't have grand market and we have corona so many long time? We have a problem with our government, so can protect we see here. But the 1 o'clock business we sell can't work out.
Remember, so we're poor, no? We're poor, we have kids and we family them to feed.
Those pleas from the vendors, but the mayor is insisting that his decision to not stage a grand market is primarily because health experts predict that there could be a spike in COVID-19 cases after the holidays.
I would not want to hear that the mayor of Montego Bay allow persons to gather in large numbers and so contribute to the spike in the COVID-19.
So, the vendors have pleaded their case, but apart from adding an hour to the vending time, it appears the mayor is not backing down. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.